For all of you who don't know, Fiverr is one of the very active freelancing platform available for freelancers and for as well as for online buyers and sellers for both. It's an equal opportunity for everyone to buy things online. Fiverr, which actually started as a model where everything was available for $5 initially, and people could buy of anything in $5, and people can sell anything for $5. It was a very wonderful platform for beginners, for newbies, and eventually later on they added new pricing platforms, and eventually now it has become one of the most common and most frequently used freelancing platform available online. So you can do wonders with it. In case if you want to do any work online, you can do it through it. If you have any presentation, if you have any project, if your company have any project, if you are running a company and have an issue and wanted to get it solved, if you want a new card, new design, new online campaign, brochure, banner designing, video editing, image editing, article writing, translation, so many things are available online that it's eventually a very hassle-free solution for you. And for those who want to earn money online, and if you have a skill and wanted to show to the world and you want to earn through it, Fiverr is one of the very common, major, and a very good platform for that, where you can get a chance to showcase what you can do and earn money through it by listing your product or service on Fiverr.com, by creating your own profile, and by optimizing it and creating your own gig. Fiverr basically works on a gig-based model where you create different gigs of services you offer, and the prices can be ranged from $5 to $999, and with more levels upgrade you can do more wonders, because Fiverr basically has the different levels, and through that you define on how many gigs you can create and how many for the amount you can create offers. For instance, it has a level 1, it has a level 2, it has also a top rated seller option as well. When you become a top rated seller, you get an edge over the competitors because Fiverr recommends you, and it's being shown with your profile that you are a top rated seller. So the first thing is on creating an optimized profile. So it is a very important thing that you need to create an online profile about what kind of a thing you want to sell online. So for that, first of all, you have to go to Fiverr.com. Just go on Fiverr.com, and for instance, let's say if I open here for give me a moment as well, so I can show it as well to everyone. Basically, it's a great platform, and even for those who wanted to earn their first buck online. I personally know many people who earn their first buck online through Fiverr. So it's actually indeed a great way to make money online, and you can do wonders. Why? Because your product is shown to the whole world, many buyers, thousands of buyers. There are more than 5 million active gigs on Fiverr right now at the moment I'm speaking with you. So let's say I go to Fiverr.com, and I opt the sign in option. So when I click on the sign in option, I'm being provided with continue with Facebook, continue with Google, continue with Apple, or create your own username. I can choose any of the thing and create my own profile. Creating a profile is not a problem at Fiverr. The thing we need to work on is creating an optimized profile. And how you can create an optimized profile is the main thing on which you need to focus on. You can create an optimized profile by explaining yourself, writing your name, having your own professional picture, your own picture, a decent one, with some optimized and attractive headline about what you are a person and what you can do, what are your skills. I mean, earning money online through Fiverr is not an issue at all, but it needs a passion and it needs communication through which you can make money out of it. I read a quotation somewhere like 85% matters your presentation skills and 15% matters your technical skills. So more than your technical skills, how do you present your technical skills is much more important. So technical skills are, I know it's important, but more than technical skills, your communication skills or how do you present your work is much more important. Yeah, so it means you need to focus more on your presentation skills. In case if you want to success, be it Fiverr or be it any platform, you can. It's a very important to focus on your presentation skills. So uh, let's say if I have for instance, I am just editing one just to show off everyone. Just want to tell you on like it's not difficult at all, but just you need to focus on what kind of a passionate you are. I mean, there are so many categories on Fiverr on which you can work on and earn money. I mean, it has a categories from designing, graphics, digital marketing, social media marketing, writing, translation, video, animation, music, audio, programming, tech. I mean, there are so many things on Fiverr you can do through which you can make money online. I mean, Fiverr has ample of things. So, I mean, it's not necessary. Like if you are focusing on digital marketing, you need to go in a micro skill and then nano skill, so you can make more out of it. Because mostly people are targeting either the main skill or the micro skill. If you focus on the nano skill, you can get more customers and a good start. So, for instance, it's just I'm in the digital marketing and I'm exploring. So, even in digital marketing, there are so many categories, so many subcategories. Even in content marketing, there are so many things. Let's say if I go to content marketing, and I see on in that content marketing, I have three more subcategories: guest posting, content strategy and research, and native marketing. So I mean, I have multiple options here, and I can even, let's say if I go more deep down and I select content strategy and research, I can see ample of people selling things. I just need to figure it out, and like what kind of a product I'm good at promoting, what kind of things I can promote well, and I just need to focus on it. It's not like I don't know a skill. I think I can make a product. It's not a good way to start. You need to master the art of that skill. You need to be professionally better. You need to learn and improve on that thing. Earning money online is not a difficult thing, but if you are just a lazy person, it will be a difficult thing because you need to work hard. You need to improve. You need to get the excellence level. Also, another thing is if you are creating a gig or even you are creating your own profile, don't forget to make a video about yourself. And with a gig, when you are making a gig, gigs with having a videos have more chances of views, and people like to know the face and people like to know the person with whom they are dealing. It increases trust relation. So when you're getting a gig, don't forget that your video needs to be a very professional one, and your about me and the video description, or I mean the gig description, needs to be state of the art, because you are going to compete with other professionals in the market. So your wording, as I told you before, 85% matters your presentation skills. So your presentation skills plays a huge role here on Fiverr. So when presentation skill plays a huge role on Fiverr, it means how do you convince your client to buy your product is much more important than your product or service you are promoting in Fiverr. I mean, I know the process of working on a service or a product is much more difficult than even writing a one. But writing is the first key step to convince a buyer to get your product or service. So you need to know if you can stand out of it, then even the sky won't be a limit for you. But just you need to be focused on that. Also add skills, education, certifications, discuss about portfolios, whatever you have on Fiverr you can discuss. Also, as I told you before, add display picture, also add languages. If you have any social profiles, you also need to link them on Fiverr. It will help the engagement as well as the people trust on you. Like they will think the person is real and we can freely do business with him. Also make a look on competitor or what your competitors are doing. If you are selling a service, your competitors are selling the same as well. Either few of them are selling it. So we just need to focus on how they're attracting the visitors. Why them? If they are, just focus on why them and just add that why them into why you. I'm not saying to copy and paste it. I'm just giving you an idea. If you learn from them, why them, so then focus on find your whys. Why you need to focus on why people work with you. These are things very important. if you can do all of these things, you can earn huge bucks or huge money through Fiverr. I mean, doing freelancing and earning through Fiverr is not that difficult. It's just you need a passion out of it to make money through it. And yeah, there are Fiverr levels through which you can make money. Level 1, level 2, top rated seller, multiple options. You need to have an attractive title, attractive gig. In my article, I was just explaining one on thing was if I'm writing one, I will review your book in 24 hours professionally. Is a good example. But is in case if you are thinking I'm going to review your book within next few hours, this is a good headline, but this is not an attractive headline. You need to focus on attractive headlines for your gigs. I mean, these are the jump things you can focus and you can earn through that. And you can offer multiple packages for your products from $5, 10, 15, 25. Yeah, I mean the difference is $5 minimum in each pricing. And you can also add add-ons. If a customer wants a quick delivery, you can charge extra for delivering them product in the next 24 or 48 hours. You can also have add-ons. You can combine packages. You can also give customer requests to offer to people as well. Apart from creating a gig, you need to focus on tags as well. The better the tags are, the better the chances of your gigs are to be ranked well on Fiverr search. Ranking your gig is very, very important. And as I told, all other procedures like attractive headline, attractive description, profile, portfolio, adding portfolio, good profile picture, good attractive tags. All these helps. Adding a video, adding attractive images. All these helps on ranking your video well to earn money. And it's if you are creating an attractive image, people are much more likely to click on your image. If it's just a boring one, no one is going to click on them. So you need to be very creative on these things. So you can get the client attention through it. And you need to be very creative and see what your competitors are doing. Also keep on testing your gig strategy, keep on improving or removing gigs to figure out if anything works well. You can do wonders in it. So you have when you start it out, you have 8 gigs to offer, and a level 1. And once you have good ratings, after 30 days you can be promoted to level 2, and after 60 days you can be promoted to level top, even top rated seller as well. So it's a very good strategy. Let me correct me if I'm wrong. For a level 1 you have to work for 2 months, if I'm not sure, if I don't forget. So but you can just Google it out. I'm just confused, but yeah. When a level 1 is shown with you, you can sell your product for higher prices and make more money out of it. Earning money through Fiverr is not that difficult at all. Me or anyone here, they can earn money online through Fiverr. It needs a passion and a dedication to earn through it. And you can even do wonders. Hope you like the video on how to make money through Fiverr and do freelancing online. Thank you and bye bye.